Good morning, everybody. It's after a lot of days. Welcome to the channel DS Clicks again. So after a lot of days, I've made one more game. This time it's an open world game. This one open world game. You will receive the link in description. You can go and download. Go ahead and download this one. Epic New 3D Open Game. You can say this. Yeah, thanks for choosing and all. Just go ahead and install it. I will not because I already have it. Yeah. This will be the link. This is a link, my link. And yeah, thank you. You all are very good. Thank you. You give 10 downloads, 13 downloads. Now this is 0 because I have not uploaded yet. After that you have to download it. Good. So let's play and see what's going on in the game. Yeah, made with Unity game engine.
2,000 years later.
Full screen game, yeah, I'm telling you. And this time one thing is improved, the background noise and the sound system. This time the sound is so low that you will like it. You see, help menu. Okay, yeah, explain the map. You can just exit the game from here, but I want to start it. Yeah, let's go. That direction is better. Yes, okay, yeah, I will go in that mountain. You can use WASD keys. If you're not hearing me, sorry, because the sound is coming. You need to exit. You can click on the exit game button to exit now. So, yeah, pretty simple game. It just took very time to make because 3D game, you know, and a lot of things to do. So, thank you for watching. Bye bye.